continue, repeating the Kiddush. Many times a man or a woman will hear Kiddush away from her home, such as in a shul or in a simcha. When she comes home to begin her Shabbos meal, she must recite her Kiddush. Must she recite her Kiddush again? Poskim write that although it is not required, it is good to do so. Once again, the reason is that since the basis for Kiddush is to lend significance to the meal, it is better to do so at one's own Shabbos Seudah, and not merely in Kiddush and Shul. So that's actually very, I think this is piece, I mean the whole book is very practical, don't take me wrong, but this is, I think, a commonplace in many shuls. Okay, so what he is saying, so for example, family or a woman, or a man alone, that doesn't matter. So here we're talking about a woman. So a woman, right? So she is in a shul. A rabbi makes a kiddush, or whoever, gabbai, whoever is there makes a kiddush, right? And they eat a little, and then she goes home, because usually this kiddush in a shul, it's not complete kiddush. It's just salads, some things, maybe cholent, maybe this, that, but it's not complete kiddush. Right, so many people then go home after they socialize, right, and they go home, and what they do, they eat, right, and now they're going to eat good food. Whatever you prepare is always better. And now, so he's saying it is proper to say your own kiddush. So basically all of the psukim that you say before that, just psukim from the Torah. It's not there is no problem whatsoever, right? I mean, you can say psukim from the Torah all day long, right? And then you say barepricha gefen, right? Blessing over the wine. Again, there is no problem whatsoever. So you just want to drink wine. That's it. So of course it is called kiddush in this sequence, but it is very commendable for a person to do that. Just sanctify day one more time. Again, we're not doing anything illegal. Okay.